Hello guys, if you hear anything in the background, that's because I've just got a friend over. Just to let you guys know. Also, I did change my profile picture. You guys might see something like right around here. I don't know where it is because the brutal truth for these guys is that they can't see how it looks. Yeah, bonk. Yay. The slightest bonk ever. Normal Iron Man looking thing. Robot version. Oh my god, man, what? Can I toggle helmet? Yeah, I'd like them to just have a normal robot head because I swear to god, man, the robots are already durable as hell. Durable as hell. Now they've got an extra layer of armor. Oh my. What the hell happened there? I have no idea what just happened. But yep, that just happened. Also guys, I'm not gonna do the nanotech sword. For all of your guys' information, that's horrible. So oh my god, man. So guys, I have been doing some of my own stuff. Ignore all this stuff at the top. Is it this? No, it's not that one. Yes, this one. So yeah, guys, this is Abyss Jerry. This is Abyss Joe. This is Abyss Friend, and this is Abyss Comp. Comp means companion. Just throw these out there. So yeah, this is what I do. I mean, every day when I'm not doing this. Scenarios because I'm very lonely and I have nobody to play with other than my cousin. Which when you just do Fortnite every day, it kind of gets boring. So yeah, there's this dude with a musket. Bang! Shot him in the leg. And then Abyss up. And then this dude also has a crossbow bolt in him, which is also the sharpest thing in this game. Also, yeah, guys, I did use some phase links. I'm a tech dude now with phase linking. So yeah, that's this dude done, so I'll just throw him away. Then there's this dude. Oh, did you just knock him out? Nope. Yep. No. Oh, good man. Hey, that's rude. You're being rude. Stop spitting blood, that's ruining the floor. Also guys, you might be wondering what these are for. I strapped miniguns to his hands. So he's just got like some tiny minigun hands. I just absolutely obliterate it. So now this dude's gonna be off. Now this is Abyss something. They all have Abyss in their name. This dude doesn't have much other than a torch and a laser sword that he's eating. I don't think a laser sword would be that yummy, to be honest. Oh yeah, I guess he also can cook his own arm. It's an example of what would happen to most things. Actually, most. So what happened to my swings? And then there's this dude. Also forget, don't guys please. Yeah, he's got a spike launcher, so yeah, he just shoots some good old spikes out him. Ooh. And then he's got a magnum revolver or something. Keep them away to make sure that they're dead. And if they get too close, you can. It's this way. You can go boom. Just you don't have to activate it, really. Pow pow pow. Also, if you guys want to know, well, why doesn't no one do tutorials on how the playground works? Guys, just load into default, and there will be a bunch of screens what tells you what to do. I've also got this stuff. This is my favourite one, so I'm going to be using this one. Internal power menu. Yes, speed healing. We'll just do power menu. Set power, flash time. Sure. Speed mirage, sure. Hand phase, sure. Thunderbolt throw, sure. So now if you guys activate his chest, then it creates another one. Let's say that is this one fake? The fake one has the opposite abilities. Like this one has this lightning throw and hand phase. That means that this dude will have lightning arms. I guess he just has both lightning arms. Oh crap! Where are those sparks coming from? So yeah, the best or the worst part about this. Is this the one? This is a vibrating hand. The vibrating hand can go through things. You can feel like, ha! Now he will be separated in half. We'll just give it a bit. Oh no, yeah, it actually worked this time. Oh no, yeah, that's actually really neat. But it doesn't work all of the time. Sometimes his hand is the thing that gets squashed. Oh my god, he's still alive. Aha. Now his head will be ripped off. Oh my god, man, why is it when it's on camera it actually works? Oh yeah, I guess it actually does work. I don't know, man, but sometimes you just get through that hand. I think, I don't know, that's just from past experiences. Oh yeah, there's also the flash. That's the same exact goddamn thing. And there's Godzilla. Yeah, this is Godzilla. Activate roar for roaring. Activate head for beam. Get there, laser beam up, Zilla. As you can see, he looks very cool. Unsuspecting person will get their nuts blown off. Yep, someone got their nuts blown off. Oh my. Bruh. Again? Guys, this is a weird thing that happens to Godzilla. It doesn't show that he's dead. But, oh, yeah, well, he's just dead now. Yeah, dude, that's what happens. It's just like, it just keeps on doing that because his head's like half, like quarter dead or something. Or better, I just. In the son of a gun's mouth. Ow. This is Iron Plus, it's just a bunch of no items. What's a perforator, first of all? That's all I want to know. Oh, why is the food not edible? We are CCTV. We watch colours. Ooh, this is the favourite. We put this in cars. Those are explosive. Apparently. I'm too sure. Nope, it explodes. Car fuel tank. That explodes. The only gun in this mod. No, man. You see how effective this weird-looking shotgun is. Bang. Not as powerful as the almighty. Guys, I'm actually gonna end this video here. Like and subscribe. Bye.